your estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
When should somebody consider debt settlement versus, say, bankruptcy?
Sure. And Sean and I were talking about this a little bit before. It's a very clear client profile. My clients typically come to me because they maybe don't qualify for a Chapter 7. They have a large asset that would be consumed by the Chapter 7. They make too much money for a Chapter 7, or possibly having the Chapter 7 on their credit report would, exclude them from business loans in the future if they want to open a business, perhaps. And I'm sure you can talk about that at length as well. But what I can say is that my clients typically have just overextended themselves and got caught for some very good reason, usually. Maybe their spouse was unemployed. Maybe their child chose that private college. That's going to be a lot of money. Maybe they lost their job. Maybe a bonus didn't come through. Maybe a home sale didn't close. But they have assets. They have strong assets. They have cash to work with. They probably have an income flow that maybe be slow at the moment, but they have an income flow. So they come to me to work down those debts and settle them and then move on towards greener pastures.
And after you look at somebody's profile, they have a ton of credit card debt. And let's just say they do qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Do you typically refer them out to something like that? Or do you say, I think it would behoove you to try and settle first and see what kind of settlement you can get before you go file?
Exactly. In my business, we're able to settle so low that they can afford my legal fees. And it's, a fraction of what they owed previously. If I see that person does not have strong income potential for the future, and also their past income, and you'll talk about this too, I'm sure, but their past income was very low or minimal or non-existent, maybe 6 months of no job, then that's a clear Chapter 7 candidate, and I do refer that out for certain.